Hello YouTube, once again. I just had this received, and it's a like a crimper type things, hand crimping tool. It's pretty good. It was about 18 quid, I think. Basically what you get this little hand crimper. Yeah, it's for doing wires. So I'll drag this out as well. It's for doing little cables, and it's this sort of thing. What it does, it gives you, if you can see that, it gives you a little thing like that, instead of bare wires like this, which you put in and screw down. It just makes a really nice, neat job. I'll just show you briefly. So basically you just get this thing, screw it in there, get up to the level. Yeah, so it's in like that, and all you do literally is put it in the old, can't do it without looking, that's it, give it a squeeze. Yeah, and that's it, job done. It's a great little tool actually. They got lots of different sizes for 18 quid. If you're starting your camper now and you haven't done the electrics yet, I'd say this is a must. It's much easier to use. Yeah, brilliant. So that's it really, quick video. There you go. I wish I flipping knew about this about a year ago before I did my van. But there you go. Anyway, see you on the next one. Thanks.